वेलकम टू हाई टॉक्स once again. हर बार बोलता हूँ, हर बार आप लोग सुनते हैं, हर बार एटलीस्ट मुश्तबा तो सुनता ही है. So guys, once again, Mushtaba is here, I'm here. And we have a guest. Obviously you guys can see him. But there's a story to be told, like I always say. So much, we both met him at different times in our life. I met him 3 years back. You met him
as an imposter in Among Us.
Bro, I met him as a person who was doing pretty much like from first year itself we were doing business. Business that can't be disclosed, but we were doing business. कुछ तो कर रहे थे हम लोग, है ना? That's where the entire that's where the respect was gained. I'm like, okay, this guy is someone who will make something happen, and we know he's gonna make something happen. Lot of stories for you guys to be heard. Like you guys need to hear the story. But I know Nathan for like 3-4 years now. 4 years.
4 years.
Yeah, 4 years now. We went to college together. Like most of the people on this podcast. We've had so out of 5 of them, 4 were Simbi. अपन मतलब Simbi का कुछ चला रहे, Simbi talks. Yeah, so met you there. Had a great time. We were flatmates for an entire year. Yes, उसके बाद
actually more than a year, even hostel.
Yeah, pretty much. We were staying together only.
Yeah.
So like, okay, we can say 2 years. We've done all sorts of things, which we again can't talk about. No, I'm just talking about the incidents we've done.
Actually,
Hostel
yeah.
also.
Yeah.
We've had like, can we talk about it? Can we just?
No.
That's a different
Nah, I was thinking about
different podcast.
I was thinking about like
We need Joe Rogan.
okay, we had like 2 written complaints against us.
Yeah.
I won't tell you what complaints, but yeah, 2 written complaints.
Our guards got kicked out.
Our guards got kicked out because of us. We have done, bro. So Nathan is one fucking person. So 3rd day of college, I'm like, bro, मुझे seniors बोल रहे हैं ट्रैक पे चलते हैं. He's like, bro, let's go. We don't know anyone over there. Not a single person. Just like this one senior chick who had called me. And we both are there. Enjoyed our ass off. We made friends with some random people. Bro,
Ashish bhaiya.
Ashish bhai. Bro, at the end of the night, we had total combined, I think we had $60 in our pocket.
Yeah.
And we still need to have dinner.
Yeah.
We borrowed from a random stranger. And that's how we had dinner. And that was the first time we both met.
Yeah.
And that's where our friendship actually developed. Uske baad to we have had countless adventures, which we'll talk about in the entire podcast. But what's your time, bro? What do you think of Nathan when you met him in Among Us? But you met him in Diwali first time.
Yeah, Diwali.
Yeah, we met.
But bro, that was super quick.
That was
That-
like 2-3 minutes.
Yeah, you meet so many people on Diwali.
Yeah.
I still remember it near the main pit where we burst all the crackers.
Yeah.
But
But you got to
Yeah,
know
it
him
is.
properly, like in Among Us, because a lot of personalities.
yeah,
show up
honestly, after that though, in Among Us we had like so many people, right? It's like
Yeah.
it was just way too many.
Yeah.
But after that, when you actually started, pursuing what you love,
Yeah.
that's the time I was like, oh, okay, this is what he is. This is what he does.
there. Well, that was us. But as I always say, so this is what I tell every time.
Yeah.
No episode has been gotten out yet. But it'll be out by the time yours will be in the mid. So one thing I always tell our guest is ki we can tell a story about you. We can give our not judgment but
Viewpoint.
our viewpoints over you. But you can tell the audience ki who you are the best way possible.
So yeah.
So sir, mic is yours.
Bro, how the fuck do I start? What
Bro,
do I
it is
say?
as basic as that ki
Start from the beginning.
start from the
Okay,
beginning
so you
only.
got-
Start from where it gets interesting.
Yeah, tell them your name, tell them what you've done, tell them just
yeah.
everything, bro.
So I'm Nathan, and I graduated from Simbi.
Saath mein,
We
sir.
have graduated from Simbi. Now we can say that we just graduated 2 months ago.
We haven't got a degree, but okay.
नहीं degree तो almost
मिल जाएगा,
हाँ,
मिल जाएगा.
But I was in the state of not getting my degree. I had like shit ton of backlogs. At like one point I had given, bro, in December I had given 10 backlogs together. and I somehow managed to clear all my backlogs.
Bro, even I had like I think 2 or 3 backlogs जो इसके और साक्षी के वजह से pass हुआ मैं.
हाँ, I remember you used to do your exam at Sakshi's place or something.
Yeah.
सही है.
Okay, so that is one part. So you
Yeah.
graduate. What this thing specialization? I know,
And
but
I've specialized in marketing and international business.
our entire group did that. 10 of us, same thing.
Same thing. No, the Akshat took Ontro.
Akshay took onto and I think Dev took this thing.
Finance.
But
Yeah.
marketing सबके अंदर था.
हाँ.
है ना? Okay, and sir, how about you tell the audience ki what you're doing right now?
So right now I have founded a health and nutrition FMCG company called Protein Meister,
Yay.
and we're trying to
What are you trying to do, bro? You guys are trying
Bro.
to.
What are you?
So we're
What's,
trying
what's
to.
your aim?
Our tagline is innovating a healthier lifestyle, and with our products and the way we have our characteristics of our products, we're trying to revolutionize.
Revolutionize, yeah.
Revolutionize the way.
Revolutionize.
Revolutionize. But नहीं
It's
निकल रहा,
fine,
bro.
it's fine, it's fine.
नहीं
It's the
निकल
first
रहा.
time, bro.
You change the word, bro.
Yeah.
Trying to change.
Revolutional.
Bro,
I
मुझसे भी नहीं हो
can't
रहा.
say.
Just because of you guys.
We're trying to change the health and nutrition the sector right now because we think it's too much protein based
Okay.
and people are forgetting the importance of whole nutrition.
Okay.
And that's what we've raised our brand values around.
So you have 3 products right now, yeah?
Yeah, we have 3
So
products.
just tell us about
All
that.
the three products are protein synthesized peanut butter, and we found a special way of synthesizing this peanut butter with protein, and we're using whey protein and vegan protein. And so what we're doing is there's another brand itself. Do I mention the other brand?
No, just say
No.
other brand, yeah.
No one
So-
cares about
yeah,
the other.
Nobody cares. We just care about
There's-
Protein Meister.
Yeah, so we have one competitor in the industry, and what we're doing different is bringing whole nutrition onto the. आवाज आएगा.
Continue.
What we're doing different is we're bringing whole nutrition onto the table. And
Treat table.
yeah, whole nutrition.
Now you can touch it.
We're bringing whole nutrition onto the table, and we're trying to. अरे bro, तूने बोला.
We were sarcastic.
It's okay. So wait,
Yeah.
listen. For आम जनता, क्योंकि हमारे पास काफी audience है जो maybe will be like okay.
Maybe not in the.
Not very.
in this fitness
doesn't know
industry.
so much.
Yeah.
But maybe they want to start.
Yeah.
You have 3 products.
Yeah.
One is plant-based, vegan.
One is vegan based. That's for the vegan people.
Yes.
One is whey chocolate,
Okay.
and one is just peanut butter
Peanut
and with
butter.
a shit ton of protein in it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So for a normal
So-
insan.
so-
Okay. Now we have 3 categories. One is person who's starting
Hmm.
to work out.
Hmm.
One is person who's already working out, and one is the person who's too much into
A
it.
gym
Taking
junkie.
it to the next level.
Complete
Yes.
gym junkie.
Okay. Which is for who?
So our vegan. So like.
Or who can start with what?
Out of our 3 products,
Hmm.
2 of them are chocolate based, and we came with the approach of chocolate basing our product because India is a market that is really attracted to taste. They like sweetness a lot.
Mm-hmm.
So we thought of making a product that caters to this market. So I believe the chocolate based products, especially the chocolate whey one over the vegan one, is the correct choice for anyone that's like trying to get into fitness and like still can't give up that need for taste. Still have that
It
thing
tastes
for junk.
great, by the way.
Thank you so
I've
much.
tasted it, bro. It tastes great.
Thank
and you
you
made
so
it in
much.
your kitchen, right?
Yeah, we initially started off making in the kitchen. Then
Yeah.
afterwards it didn't work. I made it in kitchen in Dubai.
Yeah.
Then afterwards we were doing it in Delhi. We were getting our manufacturing sampling done in Delhi. And halfway through the process, we canned everything. We bought a mixer grinder at home, started doing the recipes all over again, and then after now we have the finished product.
Okay, so you would say the way is for anyone in this whole
anyone,
dynamic.
Yeah. So the way
Vegan is for, I'm guessing whoever's vegan.
whoever's vegan, honestly, and like so the a sort of con that whey has in certain people, whey tends to cause a certain amount of bloating.
Okay.
So to overcome that, we came up with vegan. And most of the women sort of population, when they're getting into fitness, their main goal is like toning themselves and getting a bit muscular, not too much. So the vegan one is specifically targeted for women.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And we've added things. Women tend to like later on in life and all, they tend to like face a little bit of bone problems, and also we've added like vitamins and minerals that really enhance this need of theirs.
And you mentioned that people in India, they enjoy sweetness.
Yeah.
So how do you balance the sweetness with the protein, with the fitness idea around
So
it?
we have approached sweetness from a different angle. We're not using sugar. We're using sucralose, the industry standard is using maltitol, but maltitol is something that is sugar free technically, but then it's still as bad for health as like white crystal sugar. So we are using sucralose. It's a much more expensive option, but then we have taken the call for like the health of the consumer. Yeah.
Sir, ये ज़्यादा ही
And
this is way off my thing. So obviously, like background wise, Mujtaba has been a fitness enthusiast. Yeah, you were into it. We'll put a picture somewhere.
Once upon a time.
We'll put the picture.
In my past life.
मेरा scene इतना नहीं है.
हाँ.
But what I'm understanding is okay. There's a lot of fitness thing that's going on over here. But a normal person can also take it.
A normal person can take it. That's why we've
They should
approached.
take it.
Yeah, we have approached the. So the thing is, protein is something that's very essential, and Indians around. I did a study, and like multiple studies I went through. 70 to 80% of Indians and like people in general have they lack protein in their diets. So our product helps you achieve your daily targets, and not just protein. The vitamins and minerals that we're enhancing our products with helps you achieve like your complete daily diet.
Bro, I agree. Like recently, just because of Tej, I've been tracking my calories and like my protein and everything. So according to my weight, I'm supposed to hit 170 grams of protein. Bro, that's insane.
When you hear the figures like this, you're like, what am I
How
doing?
can I do it? Yeah. I'm eating like 5.
And you're veg.
I'm vegetarian. How?
Yeah.
कैसे करूँ life में? But hitting it, but it's taking so much toll on me because like so many beans, soya I have to eat, whey protein I have to
Keep eating the entire
Bro, I'm
time.
eating like 5-6 times a day. And like, what were you saying? You told me earlier, yeah, ki how much protein is there in your peanut butter itself? Because I use peanut butter a lot, yeah, with my sandwiches in the morning or like in my shakes.
Yeah.
How much?
What's the grams per tablespoon?
So I'm going to tell you the grams per 100 grams. हम लोग 100 grams से calculate कर रहे हैं. So in the natural one without the chocolate flavoring has 45 grams of protein. That's almost 50%. If we get it more than that, the product is really going to be off. So our natural, like the natural flavor one has 45 grams of protein, and the chocolate ones both have, vegan and whey both have 35 grams of protein each per 100 grams.
Okay, now if you compare your protein peanut butter to a general peanut butter.
So normal peanut butter, comparing it to the 45 gram one, normal peanut butter has around 20 to 22 grams of protein depending upon the nuts and all they use. But our product has almost double, and the chocolate, once you add chocolate into peanut butter, automatically the peanut protein drops.
The potency.
Yeah. So chocolate peanut butter has 15 to 18 grams of protein, and our product has 35. So we are literally doubling protein in every angle. Yeah.
Alright, so basically what I'm getting out of this is that you can have a peanut butter sandwich, which is, let's say, roughly 30 grams worth of peanut butter, which is equivalent to like, so if you take 30 grams, divide everything by 3. So it's like having an egg.
Yeah.
Right?
It's more than an egg.
It's more than an egg, more than the protein that you get in
And the
in
best thing
single
is it's completely veg.
Huh.
And most of the Indian population is veg.
Yes, sir. Bro, maybe that.
So helping vegetarians get the gains.
Yeah.
Bro, that's a solid tactic. Revolutionize छोड़ तेरे को बोला नहीं आता. ये बोल.
Need some paraphrasing there.
ये बोल. Making it like easy for vegetarians because
it's
tough.
difficult for vegetarians.
It's insanely tough, dude.
And to be honest, for vegetarians, if you have very limited options like soy and all, if you want to like, it gets expensive as well, bro. To like,
it is expensive.
To consume the amount of protein, it honestly gets expensive.
To be honest, consuming that protein level in Dubai, still okay. India, bro, it's tough. Just buying groceries in India used to take so much cash. I'm like, क्या चल रहा है?
Surprisingly, Indian groceries are somehow more expensive. Like chicken breast in Dubai is like somehow cheaper than what you get in India. That doesn't make any sense.
And it's much better out here, bro. वहाँ पर वो खुद ही मतलब he's been using a knife for everything in life. He's cutting the chicken with that only. He's like, भाई क्या चाहिए आपको? No, but dude, that's insane. Like I would say, you have a partner also, right?
Yeah, so he had come on to High Talks before.
Yeah.
And his name is Dave Taneja. You guys know him, I think. So by now they'll get to know him.
Yeah, your comes way after.
Yeah.
Yeah, so Dave is the second partner.
Yeah, Dave is the second partner.
So how are you guys dividing like departments? Obviously not right now, I'm sure like you both are working everything.
Yeah, we're doing everything. So right now there's no like formal sort of structure, but our areas of expertise come into his area of expertise are more into like accounts, finance, and mine comes into marketing, sales, and operations. And I mean, we both, as of now, we both work on this, but this is what we bring onto the table. Yeah,
बोलो.
So like we initially, bro, ये question काफी तू later पूछने वाला है. Fuck it.
Guys, we don't have a script, guys. We don't have a script. I don't know why I said that. Maybe we do. थोड़ा सा हंसता है. But yeah, I understand. Which question?
The cat's out of the bag, bro. Might as well ask the question now.
Which question was it, bro?
Bro, so it was back if you go to think about.
Last.
That's what I said.
Okay. Well, okay. By the way, right now you guys are just into the production stage, right?
Yeah. We're gonna enter the production stage.
You're gonna enter the production stage, and how do you plan on distributing this?
So we're gonna distribute in every way possible. So I'll tell you, like, we're gonna distribute it online, in retailers as well. And now since retailers, the problem is they take off huge margins off your product. So we're thinking not to go, and it's really difficult to get our products on like board with retailers. And that was really tough for us. So we have still managed to secure a few retailers in South Delhi and good respectable retailers. But what we're doing is we're pushing off our products through gyms. We have a network of gyms, like more than 100 gyms in Delhi that are working with us to, you know, promote our product. And we have done a special coupon thing with them. We are incentivizing the trainers, the gyms themselves, bringing awareness to the gyms. So, you know, gyms also, they want awareness. So through our platform, our social media website, we're going to be bringing on awareness to them. This is how we could convince the gyms to come on board with us. And apart from this, we have taken a very different approach. Since our product is more, is extremely health based, and we see the capability of it being so beneficial to each and every people in segment. We have approached hospital, doctors, dietitians, nutritionists, and we have a chain of these people ready to distribute our product.
You guys are going to the base.
We're picking it up, and our product. So there was this. We never thought about this angle, but you guys must be knowing the groups, AA groups, Alcoholics Anonymous.
No.
So there's like
Alcoholics I know, but उसके अलावा नहीं पता bro.
I know Anonymous also.
ये कौन है?
दोनों एक साथ है bro. So alcoholics, they tend to have a very less protein amount in their body. So
bro, that's not true.
नहीं अरे हमारे लिए अलग है.
We all can agree.
हमारे लिए अलग है.
Okay.
But then in general, like proper hardcore alcoholics, they have very less protein in diets. And all the doctors, the first thing they recommend to alcoholics is to reduce the alcohol addiction, is to enhance their diets with protein. And this is why we've gotten on like doctors from these AA groups to like promote our products within this community.
So bro, you mentioned that one of the places you are promoting is the general stores in South Delhi.
Yeah.
South Delhi, we all know that it's a little more posh area.
Yeah.
So what is the price point on these products?
So our price points are very minimal given like the features of the product. So the chocolate one is 299 rupees, both vegan and अरे fuck bro, नहीं.
Okay, we are telling the price point, okay.
Bro, मैं price point बता दूँगा.
Okay.
But मैंने थोड़ा fuck up किया.
No, that's fine.
So the whey one is 299 and the chocolate whey one is 299. Since the vegan one is our star product and it costs us way more to make it, it's going to be priced around between 320 to 340 rupees.
Okay.
And the natural peanut butter enhanced with whey is going to be around 300 to 320, 330 rupees.
I still feel that's not bad.
Do you think
Nutella in India is 360, 380 rupees? That's so bad for health.
This tastes better. Much you haven't tasted till now. You'll taste it, you'll be like, bro, it's much better. Nutella. I was telling him, he brought like one jar. I'm like, bro, I'm taking it home. He's like, bro, no, I can't give it to you.
It's a one jar, bro.
You asking him?
Yeah. So a lot of bodybuilders, right? They put in whey protein into their shakes and then they add other stuff.
Yeah.
And they add peanut butter as well. So now if you add your peanut butter to that shake with whey protein,
Yeah.
that's way too much protein for the body to digest in one go.
Yeah.
So do you think that your peanut butter could act as a proper substitute for whey protein shakes?
So
And how many scoops? So I'm guessing it's around 2-3 scoops.
Tablespoon.
Tablespoons. 2-3 tablespoons. Mix in a banana.
Those
add some
smoothies
milk.
you see, those oats, this thing, the desserts you see. Oh my god. Much onto something, man. Oh my god. But yeah, bro.
We're approaching, like, we don't want our consumers can if they want to. So there's a certain, like, the body, depending upon different bodies, but in general 30 to 40 grams of protein per serving is what the human body can take.
Yeah.
Rest all you just pee it out. So what we recommend mainly is if you're using a peanut butter at like 2-3 scoops and you're doing more than that, we recommend not putting in the whey. Okay, because this is what gives you the nutrition. This is giving you that similar amount of nutrition from this, and we recommend having this drink like in the morning rather than right after your gym. Right after the gym, we still recommend people to have whey protein because it absorbs more quickly. And end of the day, we want to see results in our consumer. So we're going to advise them the best thing. And yeah, so it can't substitute whey because whey has properties that
because of its faster digesting.
Yeah, faster digesting, and it's just 90 or like 95% protein if you're having whey isolate or something. Even normal whey has like 80% protein. So this in no way is gonna like challenge that. But that's what whey has only protein. And you can say what's that? Amino acids. Uska naam exactly kya tha? I keep thinking about this, I keep forgetting.
You were talking about something before the
BCAAs.
Oh,
BCAAs. Our products also have BCAAs and BCAAs. Yeah, so
you were talking about how what's the difference basically?
Yeah, so our product cannot beat protein supplements like whey. It cannot substitute it. But then we bring onto the table what whey protein doesn't. Because we are so 2 tablespoons of our product is equal to 1 multivitamin tablet. So instead of popping like literally actually having pills in the morning, you can substitute with whole food. And like since it has Himalayan salt, so it also takes care of your iodine levels. Yeah, so we've got all of this covered, which whey doesn't. There are things that whey can do which we can't do, and what we do whey can't do.
Well, what are your favorite applications of this besides a peanut butter sandwich?
It's
let's be a bit more original.
my favorite is just to dig it out from the scoop and add it to acai bowls.
I was thinking about oatmeal in my head.
That's oatmeal as well. It gets really tasty.
Bro, I've been seeing this Instagram posts of these guys storing they make something and they'll put it in the refrigerator. In the morning, it'll just taste like a fucking smoothie or something, or like some dessert. I'm like, bro, I want to eat that. I can make that with your thing, bro. It'd be insane.
And so me and Dave have tried this in the night after our shenanigans. Okay. So what we do is we take ice cream and we put our chocolate peanut butter in. And I'm not joking, bro. It tastes disgustingly good. It's too good. I'm not exaggerating one bit. It's too bloody good. That salt sweetness ratio, bro, it's still making my mouth water. It's too good.
Gotta get ice cream after this. We have the peanut butter. No, but that's insane, yeah. Much as a fitness enthusiast, which you were before. We can't say that now, but yeah, before. Now it's a huge but okay. So Much, would you have opted for this?
Yeah, definitely. As you said, right? So it doesn't cover for whey protein.
No.
But what it does do is it's a slow digesting protein.
Yeah. So
that is essential for having it in the morning, right? So I'll have a couple of eggs. I'll have my oatmeal, add this in.
Yeah.
I've got a king's diet, right? So you need 160, 170 in a day. You've got 40 in this meal. You do your workout, you've got another 30, 40. Have your dinner, aim for 20, 30 for lunch. I mean, you're hitting those numbers. Right?
Yeah.
You're getting that push. Because what happens is, right, why do people have whey protein? Is because some people, they can't get it from their diets, and for others, when they really need to get more food but they can't eat that food,
it's not possible. Yeah.
They get it through an external source.
Yeah.
Now here is that I enjoy oats on a daily basis. Add some flavor to it. Make it even more beneficial for myself. And hit those targets, hit those macronutrient targets.
And that's why I'm being really touching on this point. We all keep thinking about macros, but we don't think about the micros. That's the vitamins and minerals, and it does in the long run, like 2-3 years into fitness, it does cause a lot of doesn't cause issues, but it does hold you back in certain places. That's why we're trying to even bring on awareness to this, and trying to show there's much more than just focusing on macros.
Yeah, and definitely an alternate to a multivitamin tablet is godly, bro.
Yeah, bro, multivitamins are very expensive.
Yeah.
Apart from expensive, they're not that healthy as well.
Well, I'm just talking about one point of view, bro. Expensive,
it's expensive,
bro. Just to get multivitamin and 2 scoops. सुबह मैं ब्रेक पे खा जाऊंगा. हो गया multivitamin.
Exactly.
And so cheap.
Yeah.
Bro, what will be the, like, how much, like, a jar would have how many grams?
340 grams.
Okay, so that's...
Similar size as Nutella.
Okay, that's cool. Would you have a bigger size also, or just small?
We will be coming up with a bigger size
The
later.
jumbo size.
Yeah, jumbo size around.
Which one said?
For your bulk, for your cut.
Yeah, but we'll come up with a bigger size around 750 to 1 kg.
Okay.
Yeah, but then now, see, since like it's a new product, people are going to want to try it first. They're not going to initially want to pick up like a huge quantity. That's why we've made our own jars, and we're starting with 340 grams. And 340 grams is actually the standard, like usually for like these spreads.
Bro, think about like, you know, how you have Lotus milkshakes, Nutella milkshakes.
Yeah.
Pretty nice, too, bro.
Pretty much.
That's what I want to see, bro. That'll be insane.
And that's my next question.
Okay.
How long do you think it would be before Cheesecake Factory decides to have a cheesecake?
Oh.
It's yours.
That would be a dream.
Oh my
That would be a dream, honestly. But it will take a while.
Mm-hmm.
It'll take a while.
It'll take a while. But it's there.
It's there. Yeah.
Is there in your
The
mind?
dream is there.
Yeah,
The dream is there.
We're working with restaurants and hotels as well to get our products on with them.
Sahi hai, bro. Damn, I can't believe so much is happening, bro, in my friend circle itself. इतना डेफिनेटली मैंने कोई बात नहीं किया. I'm like, oh, बना रहा है, तू जैम बना रहा है, प्रोटीन बना रहा है.
Some time ago, he was like, he said protein bars. And he said protein bars, and you said something else, jam या कुछ तो बोला.
Oh, I have said jam.
He's been saying jam for the last.
I've been telling everyone, हाँ वो jam बना रहा है, jam बना रहा है, babe jam है, किसको बना रहा है. I think I told someone today also, but then obviously today I didn't say it. I'm just saying, like, exaggerating it. But yeah, bro, insane. Bro, tell me something. This is, by the way, do you mind talking about the part where you actually, like, you know, obviously this is a business, like, you know, you've been an entrepreneur, yeah? It's a big deal. We all know that, like, at least we both know that. Tesa bhi baat kar rahe, so yeah. Yeah, but this is not the first thing you're doing as an entrepreneur. You did a small thing before just to test out your own abilities.
Yeah, and to like prove it to my parents that I'm getting into this and like I have some capability, let me do what I want to do now.
If you want, I would love if you tell our like viewers, dude, because bro, it's inspiring. It's insane. I remember I told you and you were like, what?
Yeah, I was like, I need to meet this guy now.
Exactly.
This is honestly, it's a still viable plan for anyone that wants to pick it up who's in Dubai. Because it's honestly too nice. Even I get like attracted by it sometimes. So what I did was I just recently moved into Jumeirah Golf Estates and I'd seen for laundry for one piece of cloth to iron it is bloody $12.
Oh damn.
And I was like, this doesn't make any sense. And I was like, I'm sure. And my mom's been getting irritated by it. I'm also like, bro, this doesn't make any sense. $12 for ironing is just way too much. I'm like, there's no way this is how expensive it can be. And bro, people are like actually giving their clothes off to laundry. Like people are going to work, they can't sit and iron their clothes.
I do it, but okay.
अब हम कर रहे हैं तो हमारे लिए सही है.
I swear to God.
But yeah, so people can't do this. Like actually working professionals can't like sit and iron their clothes and like they can't. It hurts to like spend $12 on like ironing bloody clothes.
Yeah.
So what I thought was there's obviously has to be a way to get it done cheaper. I has to like give my clothes for laundry cheaper.
Okay.
Yeah, and so what I did was I started approaching people and I told them I cut down the price by literally half. So depending on certain households, I was either quoting them 6 dirhams or 8 dirhams. I was picking up the clothes from them and I was taking it all the way to almost Sharjah Ajman and getting it done for 1 dirhams 50 fils for ironing and washing both. And this price I'm telling you is ironing and washing both. And they were getting ironing and washing done for like 16-18 dirhams. And this was a bloody steal for them. So any house, I had like 100% conversion rate when I was going to household. There's literally one stranger coming, give me your clothes, I'll wash it, iron it, launder it and give it to you. And people were so attracted by the price that they were just like ready to, just you know, I'm gonna give you, because at the end of the day, like if a consumer is like happy with what you're serving them, they're obviously gonna give you their...
One thing they care about, like first thing is, okay, price point, crazy good.
Yeah.
Second is service.
Service.
And you were giving them the same service they were getting outside.
I was giving them better service rather than like delivery person coming like, obviously I speak better with them and like communicate better with them. So it was much better experience for them as a whole. Obviously it's not viable, I couldn't do this. But
yeah, you would have to. But
yeah.
I'm just saying that was the first place you actually started into this thing, yeah? Bro, any kind of thing that you learned over there which is actually helping you with Protein Meister?
Yeah, the way how to basically first initially when I went to houses, I couldn't like talk to them. I didn't know how to approach people, and like basically the entire thing is asking them a favor, asking them to give you business.
Yeah.
And that thing I never had a background in before. So
Bro,
that,
what are you saying, bro?
Yeah.
I can remember things. Okay.
that accepted.
Yeah, different high talks,
Yeah,
but
that-
continue.
High talks, yeah. Yeah, that was complete hustling. This was also hustling of some sort, but this basically taught me how to hustle more professionally. And like convince people to give me things, and it made me do the mehnat of picking up clothes, hanging them in the car, driving back, and then distributing them. And there were some days where people were coughing inside the house and there's COVID going on. I'm like,
You got
I
COVID
still-
after that, by the way. You got COVID. ऐसे ही मिला इसको.
PTSD, man. Doing this.
yeah. So yeah,
Learning how to hustle, it takes a lot. You and I both know, bro. January, February, we were on our asses. We were doing like what, at least 5, not 5, at least 10 meetings a day. Setting 10 meetings, doing those meetings, doing a follow up after that, putting a follow up, making sure the entire team knows it. 13 people in the team, making sure everyone knows it. Hustle ही तो है. And you're telling every person you
Obviously.
don't trust in high tournament. So bring your audience to us, so you can have a great time. Your audience can have a great time. That hustle is, bro, that's very important.
and it's very difficult. Everyone knows once you're in a business, you're going to make money off of it. And it's really difficult to convince people to give you that money when like these people know you're going to be profiting off of it.
I don't think people really care about that. No.
I think people care only to the extent of the value that they're given back.
Yeah.
So they're like, okay, he's making money out of it. I'm saving. I'm getting it done. I can
Exactly.
communicate with someone who understands me, who I can reach out to more easily. So my needs are met. Let him make how he wants to make as much as he wants. Let him make it. I'm happy. My life's easier.
Yeah.
That's all that matters.
The world works on convenience.
Yeah.
Convenience is all we require. किसी को वॉच नहीं पहनना, फोन है ना, फोन दिखा रहा है. किसी को क्या बोलते हैं, nobody wants to write a letter and send it. You have messaging.
After all of this, I'm sure we all have understood time is literally the most valuable asset we have.
Bro, 24 hours is not enough, Nidhi.
Yeah.
It's not enough.
Time is actually bro, before getting into any of this, like time उतना like important नहीं था.
Yeah, bro, chilling है. सुबह 12 बजे उठ रहे हैं. रात के 4 बजे तक अपन Among Us खेल रहे हैं. I
Actually,
can't believe it, bro. We were legit. I was still recording, but 4 बजे तक I'm recording Among Us games. But now I legit don't have time to actually just do something of
have you like when
just
since
enjoy.
how long have you not seen like a Netflix show or like some
No. See,
just to
so that's one thing, right? You can still grind, but you can find that piece of time just
Yeah.
for yourself, right? Watch Squid Games while it's hot.
shit, I need to watch Squid.
Understand all the memes and then just dip. Then
No,
grind for the rest.
Bro, that's where I do that while I'm working out. I make so if I'm like I still know that I can't take out time like separately, because even if I take out time maybe from like 9 to 10, I'll still be thinking about the business. I'll be like, bro, मैं 9 से 10 के बीच में कुछ कर सकता था. I could have just done like one text to someone on Instagram, some DM I would have replied, and be worth it. But that's where while I'm working out, I'm like, okay, क्या करना है? I don't watch shows, but I do listen to podcasts that time. So just something
to chill.
something to chill it and relax it.
yeah.
And bro, workout is the way to go.
Yeah.
तेरी body क्या है bro? मतलब सब कुछ चालू
अरे
कर
bro,
दिया.
था.
Body बनी नहीं है.
After I went to India, bro, I was like pretty buff before going to
Yeah, but
India.
you're getting into the nutrition thing, bro.
After going to India, and there's not enough nutrition, I feel in India.
You should be like how Mustafa looks over here. We will put the pictures. I'll put on your face right now. With that, put it.
They'll get scared, bro.
No, but I think bro, need to get into workout. No, but he is working out. Like you told me, he's going for jogs every second.
Yeah, I still do like my cardio and swimming.
Bro, I can't do cardio.
Poor guy.
Yeah, boys. इतना भी नहीं है boys. Okay. Well, bro, where are we looking at Purin Meister in 2 years straight up? Or screw 2 years. Next year end, where are we with Purin Meister?
So next year end, so our I won't get into the.
It's fine, sure.
I won't get into like the financial projections and all.
No, we want to
But
see
we see.
people. Where will they see Protein Meister?
So we want to see Protein Meister in a lot of retail outlets. We want to see Protein Meister being picked up and being trusted by people who are, looking for nutrition, looking to, get to basically fulfill their dietary requirements, and we want to be the one-stop solution. And we're working towards that goal in like different aspects, and we're also working on getting our products in different B2B platforms and working on with restaurants, hotels. So we want to we see our brand like in 1 year getting a lot of exposure in very valid places, not just in in random
anywhere and everywhere.
yeah, random anywhere.
Photo.com has your product.
Yeah,
Best selling product.
yeah.
Christmas sale.
Every shipping project has it. Protein Meister.
That's we want to see it in like nice, valid, places with respect. We want to see our products on there, and we're working
Reputed
towards
outlets, basically.
Yeah, reputed outlets. Yeah.
And you want it to be there like high tournaments.
Yeah, definitely.
Some games, just Protein Meister games, giving out Protein Meister discounts.
Yeah.
Winners are getting Protein Meister merch. Jams. Peanut butter. But yeah, bro, definitely a collaboration is coming soon.
Yeah,
Guys,
yeah.
I'm telling you, there's something coming soon. We're gonna do something big. Let this thing.
World know now only.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, we let you know. Production चालू कर बस तू ready कर उसके बाद हमारी bro high tournaments has reached. Okay, this is gonna come out way later, but we have crossed 10K boys.
You'll probably be laughing when we see this.
Yeah,
Because we are like
confetti
20,
everywhere, come
we
on.
are like 20,000.
Yeah, but he can actually do those graphics, no? Like those celebrations.
Yeah.
Kar, bro.
Confetti, go boom boom, bro. Blast everywhere, पूरा दिवाली scene. But yeah, we'll make that. Bro, I'll clip this part and I'll use it before. ये पहले आ जाएगा. But yeah, bro, 10K. Yes.
Okay, strong.
Yes, bro, 10K strong. Took a while, but yeah, we finally
You
here.
made it there.
Bro, first milestone ticked off.
Yeah.
Gonna make sure
Yeah, just
before by the end
To
of
the moon.
I would say what's our goal much for next year?
Our goal would be to get more content creators on,
Done.
expand the list of organizations that are there with us,
Okay.
get the eyes of our venture capitalist friends in Dubai.
Bro, we gotta serve our customers out there,
Yeah.
bro. We need those funding, bro.
Yeah.
We need that funding.
And yeah, just improve on the experience, right? Give the best experience there possible.
The
And
best
expand on
experience you
the
can get in
games.
gaming, bro.
Exactly.
That
Make
is
life
high
easier.
level. Yeah.
Make life easier.
Bro, हम gaming के बकवास हो रहा है.
So Nathan, if you can tell us this, if you could look back, so it's been 11 months with Protein Meister right now. If you could look back and you could start from day one, right? What is the one key thing that you would do differently that you feel that, of course, you can't go back, but if you did that differently, things would have been much easier, let's say.
Yeah.
What would that be?
So I believed first when I thought about this, it's a great idea. Like every single entrepreneur, I think so. They think the idea is the best and it's going to reach skyrocket levels. But then after getting down to down and dirty and grinding, I realized it's not at all the ideation. The team is really important, and it's not even the funding. Funding is also things can be done apart from the funding. The ideation is really important, and the timing. I feel timing is really essential. And these were the things. If I realized before, we would have done things much more differently, and we would have seen like a different sort of aspect to Protein Meister, and seen our growth. I feel much previously. And we wanted to get our products out before Diwali, but due to multiple reasons we couldn't.
It's fine. You
Yeah,
can
it's
get
fine.
on.
Yeah.
What हर चीज का time आता है.
I mean, yeah.
And we all know it's gonna fucking skyrocket. We have seen. I've tasted the product. You have to. After this, we are getting ice cream and we're tasting it for sure. But yeah, bro, tasting the product, it's a vibe. It's bro. There's hardly any sugar. There's no sugar, right?
There's no sugar.
There's no sugar.
But there's sweetness without any calories,
Bro.
without any harm.
It's so nice. I take that R1 ka, what is that? Which
Whey
one?
protein.
No, which one was the flavor that you used? Vanilla ice cream.
Vanilla ice
I take that every day. Bro, not gonna, I still like yours more. And bro, trust me, when I had it for the first time, I'm like, bro, I'm a fan. I work out so I can have that protein shake. And that's my motivation every single day. Obviously, other than that, I'm like, okay, I'm very stressed in the day, so chahiye hota hai. By the end of the day, I'm like, I want to work out so I can have that protein shake. Bro, that thing, it changes things. It changes things. I'm pointing there because his bag is right there, guys. I know it doesn't make sense to you guys, but the bag is right there. And I want to steal that bag off. Isko ghar nahi chhodunga match. But yeah, bro, I think it's going to change the industry.
Hopefully, yeah.
That's
what we're working towards.
Bro, if you need support, we have high players.
Yeah.
Or catch it, high company is growing every single day.
10K
They're having
plus.
more games every single day for you guys. Or catch it. Bro, एक कुछ प्यारा सा high tournaments का बोलना. You've been there since the start. थोड़ा सा appreciation, थोड़ा सा चाहिए life.
I've seen this guy working since so long, bro. I thought he'll get demotivated at some point. Even you're doing your job, bro. Since I remember you told me about Zurich, and like you guys have been like grinding since there, and there's still this. I see the same amount of dedication now. I met you, and like you guys are still going. That's really nice. They're working your asses off for y'all. Honestly, and like please support them, and not please support them, but like
No, bro, obviously it's audience.
Yeah,
please
the
support.
audience.
Please support.
Yeah, please
it's
support.
always please, bro.
Yeah.
Customer, bro. Customer's king. You always request. You always go with your hands up. You tell them, ki, bro, hum sab to
Hands down. I didn't do anything.
Guys, sorry. But yeah, guys, I was Nathan D'Souza. Yeah, yeah, he looked at me, he's like, bro, mera naam ye. I'm like, yeah, right. But that was Nathan with us. Another friend of ours sharing a story. One hell of a story, lot to learn. We have seen the drive. It's not just that it came up like, because of lockdown. It's not because like, he saw an opportunity. He saw it before that. Before he started Protein Meister, there was another, like, there's an entire period where he actually worked in the laundry side. Just to see the hustle, just to see the discipline. The discipline is the key, right?
Yeah.
We all know that.
Yeah, and there was an ambition to match that, to get him to where he is and to get him to where he wants to
Yes, and he saw it recently. I saw it 3 years back. So I would say I take all the credit. I take all the credit for everyone, bro.
Well
I'm just
due.
saying. Yeah, bro. Obviously,
Same,
थोड़ा
well
motivation
due.
मैं भी दे रहा हूँ life में और क्या चाहिए. So yeah, that's Nathan D'Souza for you guys. So you guys know what to do. Much go for it.
Guys, I say this every video. I'll say it again. Hit that like button. Comment down below. Subscribe and hit that notification bell icon because we come out with videos every single week.
Yes.
And we'll see you on the next one.
Thank you so much. Alright, cut.
Bro, you guys have been doing this YouTube thing for so